Hi everyone, welcome to Zoho SalesIQ. In this video, we will be looking at how to set up a chatbot on your website. From your SalesIQ dashboard, navigate to Settings. Under Bot, select Zobot and then click on Add. Give a name for your bot, then choose the bot building platform. SalesIQ offers 7 different platforms to build your bot. Choose your desired platform. Now we'll choose Codeless Bot and then click on Next. Now set up your bot's profile. Give a short description for your visitors to understand the characteristics of the bot, and then choose the brand for which you want to deploy your bot. Next, define bot working hours and then click on Next. Now configure your bot based on your requirement. First, choose the bot audience. If you want your bot to assist all the visitors who land on your website, choose All Visitors. Or you can use custom visitors to enable your bot for a specific set of visitors. For that, you have to establish some rules. For example, in an e-commerce business, the bot might be required on the payment page of the website to assist visitors with payment-related questions. For this, click on Add Rule and set the page title as Payment. So now, the bot will be activated only if the current page title is Payment. Then, select when the bot should trigger or initiate the chat. You can choose from 3 available options. When the visitor lands on the website, the bot will trigger on the estimated time. When they click on the chat widget and try to initiate a conversation, when they perform a custom action such as clicking any button on the website. For example, in an e-commerce business, we can trigger a bot when visitors click on the pay button on your website. Next, set up the response interval, that is the time interval between each response, to make the bot conversation seem more human-like and natural. Next, we have Chat Inactivity Actions. This is for the bot to perform follow-up actions in case there is no response from the visitor for a specified time duration. Here, we have an option to send a reminder to the visitor after a specified time and to end the conversation. Followed by this, we have the Allow Handoff to Operators option. This lets the bot to connect the visitors with your human operators during an ongoing bot conversation by displaying a label with the following option. If you want, you can also edit or add a text response to it. You can select the Hide Outside Business Hours checkbox to hide the above Hand-off to Operators label to the visitors outside of business hours. Enabling the forward message allows us to add a custom message when forwarding to an operator. Then finally, click on Create. This will take us to the bot building platform which we had chosen previously. This is the Codeless Bot building platform. Welcome card comes by default. You can just drag and drop the blocks available in the block gallery to create your bot. Once you've completed building the bot, preview the bot to test it and then click on Publish to make the bot live on your website. If you prefer to write codes, you can build your chatbots using the SalesIQ script bot platform, where we use an online scripting language called Deluge. This platform mainly functions on handlers. There are 4 handlers: trigger, message, context, and failure. You have to write codes in these handlers and define its functionalities. Moreover, you have a drag and drop user interface with syntax suggestions, so you don't have to refer to manuals as often as you do with traditional languages. Once you've completed building your bot, you can preview your bot and then click on Publish to deploy your bot on your website. This is how easy it is to set up your chatbot on your website. Thank you.